that is grossly incompetent and grossly corrupt. And I want to urge the president, instead of abducting, when someone is more clever than you, you give them a job to help you do the work that you cannot do because you are incompetent. Umesikia? Jambo ya pili niko hapa ni kusema hivi, wakati huu umesikia kama watu wanaanza vita na Martha Koome, wanaanza vita na judiciary, sivyo? Wacha nikwambie, kama uko na mfanyikazi ambaye anafanya vibaya zaidi na yule ambaye anafanya vibaya katikati, unatoa nani? Si mwenye anatoa vibaya zaidi? In government we have three arms of government, sivyo? We have the executive, we have parliament, and we have judiciary. The worst performer is the executive, followed by parliament, is when judiciary. Who should go home first? The executive, followed by parliament, followed by judiciary. So Martha Koome cannot go home first. Let us start with the State House. Sivyo? Let us go to parliament. And I want to tell you, all the things the executive is getting wrong, the judiciary is getting right. Adani was rejected by judiciary, sivyo? Accepted by the executive and parliament. Finance bill, executive brought it, accepted in parliament, rejected by judiciary. Abductions, accepted by the executive, supported by parliament, rejected by what? Judiciary. So this government cannot claim that judiciary is the problem. They are the problem. And I want to tell those making noise comparing Martha Koome with Willy Mutunga. Willy Mutunga was a CJ under Kibaki, a gentleman, civil. How can you be a CJ under this man? Compare yourself. I'm sure Willy Mutunga will run away if he was a CJ under this man. This man is terrible. You understand me? So judiciary is working under the most difficult administration in the history of Kenya. Give it to them, sawa? Me, I'm giving them B. Let us start with the executive going home. Secondly, let us go to parliament, they go home. Then is when we discuss about what? Judiciary. The other point I want to tell you guys. I've heard people talking about, oh, don't discuss about William Ruto should do this. For me, I have stopped telling William Ruto what he needs to do. I have stopped telling the Kenya Kwanza government what they are able to do. Because what is happening? One, they have not done what they were supposed to do. Civil. Secondly, they are not doing what they are supposed to do. Thirdly, they are unable to do what they are supposed to do. Fourth, they will not do what they should do. Lastly, they will never ever do what they should do. So what are we saying here? What we need is alternative government. Alternative what? Serikali mbadala. We need serikali mbadala. We need alternative leadership. Hata kama ni opposition, they are in government. Sasa tuwaweke kwa gunia moja, sivyo? Waende wapi? Waende nyumbani. Kwa hivyo nikimaliza nasema hivi, mnaambiwa ati kuna kabila. My former, the latest speaker said, ati kabila fulani. Sisi Kenya, tuko na kabila ngapi? Tuko na kabila ngapi? Kabila moja ni wale ambao wanatuibia. Kabila ya pili ni sisi ambao tunaoibiwa. Tuko na kabila moja wale ambao wanatunyanyasa, wanatunyakua, wanatuua, wanatuabduct, na wale ambao wanakuwa abducted. Kwa hivyo 2027 chaguo ni mbili. Farasi ni ngapi? Mbili. Kabila ni ngapi? Mbili. Looters and the looted. Sasa naomba all the looted to come together and elect one of us to send the looters home. Thank you very much and God bless you.
I'm done.